Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I have in front of me the DJI Osmo Action number 4. Now this is not just the regular DJI Action 4, this is the adventure combo. So it comes with, look at it here, the extension rod, 3 batteries, and also a battery case. Because I feel like I'm going to be using this for a long time. And so I've had old action cameras before when the GoPro Hero 4 Black was available, and I used to run out of so many batteries. Let's see what's on the outside here. And so if we flip it over, it has details of what this Action Camera 4 is. So it has a 1 1/3 sensor, 10-bit D-Log, deep freeze battery resistant, so it's a long-lasting battery that can withstand the cold. It has 4K 120 frames per second at 155 degree. Wow. A quick release, and it also has a native vertical video, 360 degrees horizontal steady. I'm excited to try that out. And it's waterproof up to 18 meters. And it has a dual touchscreen, because I know that it has a touchscreen in the front and it has a screen in the back as well. In the box, what you'll see is the DJI Osmo Action 4, 3 extreme batteries, a battery case, the extension rod, 2 locking screws, a protective frame. Oh, I didn't know that. It has a curved adhesive base, a adapter mount mini, and then a Type-C PD cable. And that's pretty much it. So I am going to unbox this. This is still in its plastic packaging. You guys, I am super duper excited. So I'm going to use my handy dandy Swiss Army knife here and carefully, so I don't damage the box, because I love these packagings. Let's do it, guys. All right, here it is. Here it is. So you open from the side just like that. You have Osmo Action 4. You have the accessories on this side here. Let's check out the Osmo Action 4 first. So here is the camera itself. All right. And here is the accessory mounts. Remove the camera before separating the quick release adapter from the accessory. Okay. So here is the camera. Nice and thick. It feels really rugged. It feels like a leathery plastic Kevlar type feel. Like, it's durable. This thing is nice. It is so durable. So on the outside here, it has the protective lens. It says tighten the lens protective cover before taking in water. So make sure that's nice and tight. And then you have, looks like these are the clip mounts on the bottom. Looks like this one here is the, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is where the battery goes. So battery and also the SD card goes in there. Other side, it looks like it has the power button right here. And then it also has the, looks like a USB-C adapter on there. And then we have the protective case. And the protective case is just plastic. It doesn't feel like the camera itself. It's just something that is protecting the camera, looks like. So that it goes like this, goes in like that, clamp it up, and like that, yeah. And looking at the accessories, you have the 2 screw mounts on here. You have the Looks like this might be the mini clamp on here as well. Oh yeah. So the mini clamps, and I think this one here goes right underneath. Oh, it's magnetic. So it straps on and it clips on, and it's really tight actually. Like that's not going anywhere. Holy moly. So you want to release the clips first, take the camera out, and you can feel that magnet too. Just like boom. Like it's not going anywhere. But to make it secure, you just gotta clip it on just like that. Press the two buttons on the side, and then you can release it. Pretty simple, pretty simple. And this is the curve mount here. As you can see, this one probably goes on like a helmet or something. This must be the batteries for it. So you get a USB-C to USB-C cable. You get another magnetic clip mount. This must be the battery itself. Yeah, DJI, it looks like a sticker there. DJI App Store, so must have add activated device. View warranty details on there. Looks like the safety guidelines, and then you have the quick start guide. Everybody needs that. And here is a, looks like a filter. Another camera lens. What's this for? I don't know what this is for. This is the lens protector is damaged. Temporary place with this lens hood. This camera is not waterproof when used with this lens hood. Oh, so if the lens that's on the camera is damaged, right here, then you can temporarily use this one, but it does not become waterproof. Now we have the battery here. Looks like this is the battery pack itself. Press the button, it gives us 3 lights. I don't know what the lights mean. Maybe it's not charged all the way, but there's 3 batteries on there as well. 1, 2, 3. Take the battery out. I just want to pop this battery in. Pop it in just like that. Not lock it down. And let's turn this on. This is exciting. Let's turn it on. On button is on this side here. So quick start. Press that. Do we just press it once? Oh, we do. Lights coming up. Oh. Makes a little noise. Whoa. It's like an iPhone. So it says tap and hold to just the digital zoom. And you can go up, you can go down. So digital zoom goes to 2.0 on 1080p. There's no SD card. There is video, there's photo, slow motion, time lapse. Let's stick to video on there. No SD card. And you can change the settings. So resolution, go up to 4K, 16:9. And then 4K at, what, 60 frames per second? And you can change it to photo or video. Nice. All right. I want to turn it off, so I'm going to press and hold. And that's what it is. Sick. All right. I'll leave the camera right here for right now. Do I have more accessories? Nope. I got the battery. And then there is the extension rod. In the box here, this is the extension rod. Extension rod has top portion here where you can actually put the camera, mount the camera on top. Bottom here, oh, it has a screw outlet where you can mount this to a tripod, mount this to something. Nice. And then to release it, how do you release this here? So rinse with cleaner water before you remove. Usage, do not use sensor rod during thunderstorms, avoid lightning strikes. So all you have to do is pull and it brings it out. Oh geez, it's pretty long. Holy moly. I would say The extension rod is equivalent to about 4 feet. Look at this. So I'm gonna pull this in again. Pull this in again. And there you have it. It's like 4 feet. You can pull it out to. God, that is so awesome. But that's it. That's actually a lot of stuff that you get for the Adventure Pack. I'm excited to actually try this out, put to use this camera, and see what it has in store for us. Because I bet you guys are wondering, like, what kind of camera is this? Is this a good action camera? Can it be a camera I can use for YouTube, use for my studio, use at home, whatever. So stick around and I will test this camera out and see how this action camera is, because I would love to show you guys, teach you guys how to use it, what kind of settings there are, and what type of field of view that this can use and utilize. It's gonna be exciting, guys. But I appreciate all you guys watching today's video. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to this video, to my channel, and then that way you'll see more videos coming up later on in the future weeks. But until next time, guys, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.